Assalamu alaikum, you are watching Sochnama and I am your host Sayyid Inayat. Welcome back to another hospitality training vlog. If you are a hospitality student, a front office professional or someone passionate about hotel management, then this video is for you. Today we are talking about the most important skill in hospitality industry, effective communication in front office. Have you ever noticed that two hotels may have same facility but guests remember one more than other? The difference is often not a building, it's the way people communicate. The front office is known as the heart and face of the hotel. It is where every guest receives their first impression and their final farewell. Every smile, every greeting, and every conversation shapes the guest experience. But what is communication? Communication is simply the exchange of information, ideas, and feelings. In the front office, communication isn't just about speaking, it includes how you talk, how you listen, your body language, your facial expressions, and even your emails and telephonic conversation. To become an excellent front office professional, there are 5 golden rules you should always remember. First, be clear. Speak in simple and easy to understand language. Instead of saying your room is being processed, say your room will be ready in 10 minutes. Clear communication prevents confusions. Second, be courteous. Simple words like please, thank you, may I assist you can completely change a guest experience. Courtesy is the language every guest understands. Third, be confident. Speak calmly and professionally, even during busy hours. Confidence builds trust and reassure guests that they are in good hands. Fourth, be accurate. Always provide the correct information about room rates, breakfast timing, hotel facilities, or checkout procedure. Incorrect information can quickly damage the hotel reputation. And finally, be complete. This is very important. Never leave the guest guessing. Provide all necessary details so that they feel informed and comfortable. Now let's talk about something many people overlook: non-verbal communication. Before you even say a word, your body already communicating. A genuine smile, eye contact, professional grooming, and confident posture tell guests that they are welcome. Sometimes your attitude speaks louder than your words. Another key skill is listening. Remember, communication is not only about speaking, it's equally about listening. Listen carefully without interrupting, always. Show empathy and confirm the guest request by saying something like, so you would like to late check out, correct? This simple technique avoids misunderstanding and show professionalism. In today's hotels, telephone communication is equally important. Always answer calls promptly with a warm greeting such as, good afternoon front desk, this is Awais, how may I assist your call? Speak clearly, take accurate messages, and always end the conversation politely. Every front office professional will eventually face guest complaints. The secret is not to argue. It is to communicate effectively, listen patiently, acknowledge the guest concerns, apologize sincerely, provide a practical solution, and always follow up to ensure the issue has been resolved. Since hotel welcome guests from all over the world, cross-cultural communication is also essential. Speak simple English, respect cultural differences, avoid slang, and always be patient and respectful. Finally, remember these professional communication tips. Use guest name whenever possible. Maintain confidentially. Stay positive. Focus on solution instead of problems. And continue improving your communication skill every day. Hospitality, guests may forget your what you say, but they will always remember how you made them feel. Communication is not just about talking. It's about the art of making every guest feel welcomed, respected, and valued. That's the true essence of hospitality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sochnama for more professional videos and trainings and hotel management content. I'm Syed Inayat with my team. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep serving with excellence. Allah Hafiz.